Welcome today in front of me OnePlus 10 Pro, and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first you should open the notification panel, and somewhere here in the top bar you can add, remove or change the positions of some icons if you want. And just to do that you should click here on this edit icon, and here we can see on this down section the invisible icons. And now just to add the icon to our notification panel here, so you should hold for a while the icon and drag it here to this up section by this way. And now to see the changes you should go back, and now you can see that we just successfully add here a couple of new icons. To remove some icons, by the same way, hold for a while and drag the icons to this down section. And to change the positions, hold for a while the icon and drag it here. So by this way we can edit our notification panel shortcuts. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.